Thanks for choosing Kayo Energy, and congratulations on receiving official permission to operate from your utility. In this video, we'll go through some simple steps on how to activate your new system. Start by locating your main service electrical panel. Inside on the bottom right-hand side, you'll see a breaker labeled PV Power Source Backfeed. Go ahead and turn that on and close the door. Next, you'll locate your utility disconnect marked by a red handle. Push the handle straight up and into the on position. You'll notice your utility set meter now has power. The final step is to locate your AC combiner. Inside, you'll have a varying amount of breakers depending on the size of your system. Start in the center with the 10 amp breaker labeled Envoy. Continue to turn on each subsequent breaker. Once this is done, you'll notice 4 flashing red lights in the top right-hand side of the box. This means that your system is going through checks and balances to ensure that it is safe to operate. In some cases, a site visit is required to finish the initial setup. A member of our service team will contact you within 24 to 48 hours to let you know if that is necessary. Congratulations again, and thank you for choosing Kayo Energy.